we go. 3, 2, 1.
Who's that peeking in my window? Remember when I didn't hear a sound? You told me this ain't really what I meant for, but now you always want.
What is up, YouTube? This is Joel TV, back with more for you to see. And as those clips at the very beginning, you saw that we were showing the Tide Pod challenge. It's a very serious challenge. A lot of people are actually dying from doing this challenge, but today we're gonna be taking that challenge anyways. But before we get started, go ahead and turn the camera around to see cameraman Hurt.
Such G.
Don't know what he said, but go ahead and throw me those pops. You don't understand if you ever throw anything at me again. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Now, I am not too sure what we're doing here, but figure it out. I got this, okay? Hey, child safety, that's good for the kids. All right, I hope you guys are ready for this. Are you ready? We're just gonna go ahead and take a nice big chunk out of this. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Y'all thought I was really gonna do that. Come on, I'm smarter than that. This is a sneaker channel, so what we are gonna be doing is putting some Tide Pod on a pair of Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. Y'all really clicked on this thing and I was gonna eat that. Y'all are sick. As you guys can see here, we got the Yeezy 700s and we're gonna put this all over. I wanna see if this will clean it up. I wanna see what it's gonna do to it, or if it's gonna give it a cool, nice little color design or whatever. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Come bring it in. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's sick. Oh my gosh. We're adding more, y'all. Now, let me tell you guys something. Those people that are doing those Tide Pods and actually eating these things are ridiculous. Like, there's been some stupid challenges before in the past and people just go ahead and do it anyway just because they see it. But I gotta tell you guys, like, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie. These actually look pretty good. Like, you know, if this was a candy, like, I'd be devouring it. Like,
yeah, they should make a candy like designed like that.
Yeah, like let's promote eat Tide Pods, but
no,
the candy.
No, that's not word. Yeah.
Oh, we're not going for that?
No.
All right, let's get some on the yellow laces. Come on, get up over here. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is pretty sick. I don't see people on YouTube doing this, huh? Pretty creative. I don't see Woofy doing this, huh? I don't see Kais doing this. No shots to Kais. I respect Kais.
No cool. Shots to Woofy either, right?
Yeah, shots at Woofy. Definitely Woofy. Hopefully you give me a shout out. Shout out, Woofy. So we're gonna mix it all. So tasty. Oh, yes. Let's just smooth it all on here on the white. Look at the suede back here. Looking real nice. The things we do for views out here in YouTube, man, I'll tell you what. All right, there. Ooh, look at that blue. Wait, maybe it's purple, I don't know. Oh, mix it all up in there. Mix it all up in there.
What is the goal of this video? Like,
to get views.
Okay, but like, what is the pod gonna do to the shoe?
It killed people, so I was hoping that, you know, maybe it did something cool to the shoes. All right, so let's go ahead and proceed to the next step. We're gonna go ahead and wash it off and see what happens to it. So let's see the results. As you guys can see, it got like a nice little colorful, it cleaned up all the materials, as you can see. All right, so let's go ahead and wash it off. Alright guys, so what's the end result for this? Don't waste your time or money like I did, because then you'll end up ruining your shoe. Didn't ruin it. Kind of smells good, so.
The moral of the story, you don't do things just for views.
Here's the before, here's the after.
Looks the exact same, just wet.
Anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Please be sure to share. I don't even care. I just buy it.
Joe, HP.